Welcome to WizzKidz TV. We're going to play with these cars together. Are you ready? Let's push number 1 down. Do you think it's gonna make it all the way down? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Let's do number 2 now. Push. That's number 2. Now we're going to do number 3. Ready, set, go. They made it all the way down. Let's do them all together now. Are you ready? We're going to push all 3 down at the same time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, they got stuck. No, they're not. Wow. Let's do that again. That was so much fun. 1, 2, 3. Shall we do that again? Okay, let's do them again. We'll push all 3 at the same time. Ready, set, go. Wow, that was so much fun. Let's try it again. Red, green, blue. What color is this? Yellow, red, green, orange, light blue, and dark blue. Let's push them down again. Let's push the green number 1. Now we're going to push red number 2. And 3 blue. Ready? Oh, it got stuck. Let's push it. They made it all the way down. Thank you so much for playing with us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.